In this video, I'll show you how to get a web browser on your Roku TV so you can browse the internet easily. Step 1. Understand Roku's limitation. Roku TVs don't come with a built-in web browser. But don't worry, there are easy workarounds to browse the internet. Step 2. Use screen mirroring from your phone or PC. On your Roku TV, go to Settings, System, Screen Mirroring, and turn it on. On your phone or PC, enable screen mirroring or casting. Open any web browser on your device, and it will appear on your Roku TV screen. Step 3. Install third-party browser apps, optional. Some browser apps like Web Browser X or Poprism Web Browser are available in the Roku Channel Store. Search for these apps on your Roku TV, install, and open them to browse. Step 4. Use a streaming device with browser support alternative. If you want a better browsing experience, consider connecting a device like a Fire Stick or Chromecast that supports browsers. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Roku TV tips and tricks.